Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another video. So I'm here with the Samsung Galaxy Tab E 9.6, and today we've got some good news. There's a new custom ROM available for this tablet. So the custom ROM is Lineage 16, which is based on Android version 9 Pie. So I flashed it onto the tablet a few days ago, about 2 days ago, and so far it's working really well. Battery life is amazing, people. And the tablet, it doesn't have no random reboots or anything. And most things seem to be working so far. I've really not found any bugs whatsoever. And the ROM is very quick and fast, as you can see. Just look how fast it is, people. And as you can see, I'm using the SMT560 model. And it's Android version 9. So this is Android version 9 Pie. Because we've been stuck on Android 7 and 8 for the last 2 years. However, we've finally got a new Android version. Okay, so I'm just going to go into developer options and show you all something real quick. So here, the memory, we do actually get the full 1.5 gigabytes of memory, as you can clearly see there. Most ROMs do not display the correct memory amount. Okay, so these are all the pre-installed applications that come with the ROM. But I'm just amazed at how quick it is. It's very quick, people. Okay, so like I said, most things do work. So the camera, as you're all aware, on the Android 8 ROM, the camera doesn't work. Hold on, let me just show you all that the camera works on this ROM. So let me just launch the camera real quick. And take a picture. In fact, that's a video. And when I go back into the gallery here, I can play back the video. Yeah, so video recording works in 720p, but you can change the video resolution or quality. You can even save the video to your SD card. And there's a few more video options there within the settings. We even have the bright screen off or on for the camera. You can turn off the power on the shutter, so you can turn it on or off. And the usual other stuff like exposure, white balance, and you can also have your GPS location on as well. Also, the front-facing camera works. So I've just made a video, quick recording with the front-facing camera. Trust me, people, this is a very stable ROM, and auto rotation works as well. We had a problem with the auto rotation on the Android 8 ROM. However, on Android 9 Pie, it works perfectly well. And if you want to download any applications, just simply open up the web browser and then just type in Google Play Store, and then just go to Google Play, and you will need to log in to your Google Play account, and this is how you get access to your applications. So just select apps, and then from here you can just download any application that you want to download. It's taking a while. That's because my Wi-Fi connection it's not that great, people. But yeah, just select apps, and then you can just go ahead and download any application that you want to download, just simply by selecting the application. Like I said, people, my Wi-Fi connection is very slow for some reason today, so it's taking a while. And then just go ahead and hit install. And then just make sure that it says SMT560, or if you have a T561 model, you will just choose the model that you have. It will also show a list of any other device that you have logged into your Google Play account. So just choose your SMT560 or 61 model from the list, and then just go ahead and hit install to download and install any applications from the Play Store. Also, if you want to watch YouTube, if for some reason it doesn't install from the Google Play Store, just simply open up your web browser and just type in YouTube from your web browser. So just type in youtube.com and then click on YouTube. Sorry about the fingerprints on the display, guys. And then just simply log into your YouTube account, and from here you can watch any video that you want to watch on YouTube. Okay, so here, these are all the wallpapers that you get with this ROM. So these are all the pre-installed wallpapers. I'm not going to go through them all. And these are all the widgets as well. So you get the analog clock, digital clock with the weather, and also some more widgets down here. So yeah, I don't want to make the video too long, guys, but yeah, this is really good news. I will credit the developer for this ROM in the description down below. Be sure to check out his XDA page and be sure to like up his page and all that good stuff. But yeah, this is a really good ROM. I'll be making a tutorial video on how to install this ROM onto your Samsung Galaxy Tab E9.6. This is Android 9, Lineage 16. Anyway, that's it for the video. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up, share the video. It's your boy, the Android Doctor, and I'll see you in the next one. I'm out.